I think we laid out in our motion why we think that there's impermissible motives, but what's important to know is that, of course, the court ruled we didn't meet our burden, but it's very unprecedented for a prosecutor to come in and ask, how's somebody getting paid? How much money do they have? Where did it come from? And things like that. It's very unusual. And the timing of just a month later, asking for the death penalty, you all have to remember, I understand Kaylee was found prior to that, but when they went and asked the grand jury of Orange County to find that Kaylee Marie Anthony was no longer with us, they knew, or they suspected, or it was their position, that it was a homicide at that time. So the finding of the body isn't that big of a difference. At least that's what our position is. We're elated by the fact that the judge is ordering this to occur, so we're going to basically look through it and see, and it gives us the strong ability to be able to prepare our case the way we need to. It's our position that we need more than one aggravating factor. Now, the court did pose an interesting question about count 2, and taking that into account, the problem is there's not one scintilla of evidence that Kaylee Marie Anthony was a victim of child abuse. First of all, it's not conclusive that duct tape was ever found around Kaylee's mouth. That's something that's been reported because a police officer is theorizing that this may or may not have happened. They do not know when. As part of their theory, they still do not know when that duct tape was placed there, who placed it there, how it was placed, or any facts or circumstances surrounding it. They are just saying that they found something close by that means A, B, and C, and D. And I think that as the trial comes out, there's going to be some heavy criticisms of that, and we're all going to take a closer look and see if that's actually true. It's going to be a significant dispute, and if you look at some of the evidence that we've uncovered, it just quite frankly does not support what's being said by police officers.